Hi, this is Robert and welcome to IPC Tech Tips. Today we're going to be reviewing using QVDs in place of direct database connections in an app. Of course, our first thing to do will be delete the connect string at the beginning of the app. Next, we'll go to our first tab, Fact Internet Sales. We will replace the SQL load with a traditional Qlik load, same as you would from a resident table. We will say load our fields from, and then specify a file path. In this case, IPDF QVDs. We know we already have a QVD created called Fact Internet Sales. It's also important to put in quotes QVD so that Qlik knows the file type we're loading. Let's test this section, exiting after it's finished. Looks good. Now I'll go ahead and replace other instances of database connections. It's not a tremendous difference, but we save 2 seconds on our load. You can imagine with bigger tables that this would be a bigger time saving. QVDs are useful because they compress data and save space, and especially because they can be loaded between 10 and 100 times faster than source databases. You can see here that some of the tables we loaded are QVD optimized, and some are not. QVD optimization is when you see the most time savings when loading a table, and there are certain strategies to keep optimization when loading a table. One thing to notice is that Fact Internet Sales was our main table that was not QVD optimized. Looking at Fact Internet Sales, we see that the where clause here is a normal where clause. We'll use a function in Qlik called exists to keep QVD optimization. It will say where exists promotion key. And then, prior to loading our QVD, we will create a table we'll call temp, loading inline, promotion key of 1. We will drop our temp table at the end of this code section. Its only purpose was to provide a value for our exists clause. If we wanted to, we could also add other production key values to this inline load. Let's test it out here. And we see that indeed, Fact Internet Sales is now QVD optimized, and we've saved another second. In summary, QVDs are useful because they let us save data to be used in multiple places, they are compressed to save file space, and they load quickly, anywhere between 10 and 100 times faster than source database tables. Please remember to subscribe to IPC Tech Tips for more engaging, interesting content. Thank you.